So hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today the topic of our video is to get free templates and transitions, musics, etc. for our videos. So many times you have faced some of the copyright strike, or they are paid and not completely free. So today I will tell you a website that help you to fix this problem. So the website name is Mixkit. So here you can see this is the main website. So as you can see, all the products provided, they are completely free for the video projects. So you can see the stock videos, stock music and video templates. So let's start with videos. So here you can see some of the high quality videos that you can easily use for your video, and they are completely free. Now let's head towards the music section. Now the music quality of this stock is very good. You can here are some completely free music that are free for your videos, and here you can specify what kind of music you want. So now let us move towards templates. Now here are some templates that you can use for your video, and they are completely free. Here you also can use your tags for defining what you want. So let's start with titles, and here you can see some of the titles that are provided by these videos. And here are the transitions effects, and these are all free and you can use for your videos. So as you can see here, there are lower thirds, openers that are very helpful. So as you can see, it is a very good website for making your videos looking good, and up for a background music. So I recommend you, if you have these face problems like copyright strike on using something like music templates video, you can go to this website and download it for free. So that's the end for this video. If you like this video, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel. We make content that help for you guys. Thank you.